How to deposit dogs in Binance. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up dogs, then click on this option of deposit to exchanges. After that, select the option of exchanges and click on continue. Here, select the option of Binance and click on send here. Then click on yes, I have it. And here it will ask you for deposit address and memo. For this, just simply open up your Binance account. On your Binance, simply click on wallets at the bottom. Then click on the option of deposit. Over here, you need to search for dogs. Make sure that you search for dogs and not dog. Otherwise, you will get Dogecoin. Simply select this option of dogs and select the option of Toncoin. Now here you get the deposit address and memo. Simply copy it and paste it over here. Now let's copy and paste memo as well. After that, click on send. Make sure that you have KYC verified your Binance account, otherwise you might lose your funds. Click on I confirm and the deposit will be in progress. Click on woof. This is how you would be able to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.